Hi everyone, I'd like to introduce the Incenting Spider. It is a simple and effective tool that helps you practice deep breathing and track your progress over time. It's lightweight, easy to hold, it has a clear volume indicator. You can see the lung capacity improvement. The mouthpiece and tube, it is easy detachable for cleaning, which is helpful. To use it, you can see the stand. Place your lips in here and breathe slowly. As you inhale, the ball rises, indicating the depth of your breath. I like to do this several times a day to keep my lungs active. I like that it's easy to use, it is lightweight, and to practice every day at home.